If you're using one of DecoNetwork's website themes and turning it into a clonable website template, odds are the homepage has more content than you need. So if we come in at Edit Website, Website Pages, we like to make this template account for a header, call to action, having a countdown clock if we're going to have a time frame that the store is going to be open. We want to be able to have a goal status here. Maybe we need it, maybe we don't. We can list product categories, products themselves, and then the same things with design categories and listings. But again, odds are you're not going to need all of this. So it's as simple as coming in here, and maybe we don't need the countdown clock. Okay, delete it. Maybe we don't need the sales goal. Delete it. Maybe we're going to do categories instead of listings. Typically, it's going to be one or the other. So if we're not going to do listings and we're going to do categories, let's delete this row. It's a lot easier for us to delete what we don't need than it is to have to add it. And then if we're going to offer this decorated categories, I'm typically not going to need design categories or designs. And by deleting what I don't need, I'm left with a very simple homepage with our call to action message and product categories in this case. Again, maybe I wanted to list products instead of categories. I'll just delete this and scroll down, and we'll delete the design navigation methods. So the trick is use the template and delete what you don't need, and you'll quickly be able to put together that nice looking homepage for that affiliate website template.